if you want to use voice to text on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all, we're gonna go to the Messages app and let's open a conversation. So in order to convert our speech into a text and send a message, first we need to open the keyboard, and then on the right side you might be able to find this microphone. So if you tap on this microphone, whatever you say out loud after that, it will be converted into a text. Once you are done with the message, you can tap on the microphone again and the microphone will stop listening, and of course we can send the message. In case you don't see this microphone, we will need to go to the settings of the keyboard. So first let me actually select everything and remove, so that we have the option to go to settings. Actually, we didn't have to do that, but on the left side we should be able to find these 4 squares and then find the setting here. Now we can go to voice typing, and here we can enable voice typing. Make sure that this option is enabled. Faster voice typing is optional, but of course it is still convenient to have it enabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!